Why? Okay, let's welcome the next contestant, Rubio Chen. Let's welcome him.
Good morning, dear judges and fellow students. I'm Rubio Chen. Today my topic is my most unforgettable day. To be honest, my standing here is a beautiful accident. I'm only an average student in my class, but partly because my classmates' encouragement, and partly because in my class no one dared to take part in this speech contest. So here I am, taking up this great challenge and giving a speech in English for the first time in my life. In order to perform well, I spent a lot of time to preparing for this contest. Though I know it's impossible to have a good command of English in such a short period of time. I have never taken English so seriously before, working on it so hard. It took me many hours just to memorize this short speech, not to mention the more efforts I put in improving my pronunciation and fluency. Whatever the result is, I think this speech contest will be a very special memory for me. For after all, in my class only I brave enough to come here. For this reason alone, I feel like I'm a courageous warrior. If likely I do a great job, I will certainly be overwhelmed. Even if I fall, I'm still proud of myself. So right now and right here, I'm creating history. And yes, today is exactly the most unforgettable day. Thank you.
所以大概是2分半哈，大概是 about two，大概是2分半，然后OK， 但比第一次好了，然后 spend 你好像还是说。